Our today's topic is normality. The formula of normality is number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of solution. In simple language, 1 liter solution which कितने gram equivalent solute ਦੇ present ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, that is known as normality. It is represented by capital N. Its units are gram equivalent per liter, or simply you can written as capital N. The formulas are listed which are used in the topic of normality. First formula is of normality. Number of gram equivalents of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Okay, then the formula of gram equivalents. Volume will be given to us, but the formula of gram equivalents is very much important here. Gram equivalents is equal to given mass upon equivalent weight or equivalent mass. Given mass will be provided to us, but the formula of equivalent weight further is equivalent weight is equal to molecular mass, or you can say as molecular weight, upon X, where X is valency factor. Now X is different for acids, bases and salts. For acids, X is number of H positive ions donated by the acid. For bases, X factor is number of OH negative ions donated by the base. For salts, it is total positive charge on cation or total negative charge on anion. Second formula of gram equivalents is equal to number of moles into X factor. You can say this formula as a relation between gram equivalents and number of moles. We can say it like this. We have complete video on the gram equivalents, equivalent weight and this relation. In this video, we will concentrate on normality only. Now, we'll do some questions related to basic normality. First question is, if 0.98 gram of H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, are present in 0.98 gram of H2SO4 are present in 500 ml of solution, find normality. Normality we have to find. Formula of normality is gram equivalents upon volume in liters. Now, we have given here mass and the volume, which is in ml, but we'll convert it in liters. Now, the formula of gram equivalents, it is given mass upon equivalent weight. Given mass here is 0.98. Equivalent weight further is molecular mass or molecular weight upon X factor. Molecular mass for H2SO4 is 98. We have done it in the last video. It is 98. X factor here is H2SO4 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ जो X factor है, that is 2, because it can donate 2H positive ions. So it will be 0.98 upon 49. Okay, we'll put it in the formula now. Normality is equal to gram equivalents. Gram equivalents is 0.98 upon 49. It is 0.98 upon 49 upon 500 upon 1000 to convert it in liter. It will be 98 upon 4900 into, you can go it to numerator. Okay, you can find its answer in the normality. I hope you can do this calculation. If in case you have any problem in any of the calculation, you can ask me anytime. Okay, this was the basic question related to the normality. Now, as we do in case of molarity, same are the types of solution which have different of normalities, which are known as, first is semi-normal solution, bi normal solution, centi-normal solution, and deci-normal solution. The solution whose normality is, semi means half, or it can written as n by 2. Bi means 2 or 2n. Centi means it is 1 by 100 or n by 100. We have already done this in the case of molarity also. Deci means 1 by 10 or n by 10. We will do one question related to this concept. Okay. Then our second question is find mass of NaOH present in 250 ml of 250 ml of semi-normal solution. Semi-normal means whose normality is 1 by 2. We have given as volume 250 ml. We have to find the mass. We have to find the mass. Formula of normality is gram equivalents upon volume in liters. The formula of gram equivalents is given mass upon equivalent weight. We have to calculate this mass. Okay. Now equivalent weight. We have to first calculate the equivalent weight. Equivalent weight is molar weight upon X factor. Molar weight for the NaOH is 40 and X factor here is 1 because it can donate only one OH negative ion. So equivalent weight here will be 40. Gram equivalents will be X upon 40. Gram equivalents will be X upon 40. Okay. Now we will put it here. Normality is 1 by 2. It is X upon 40 upon 250 upon 1000. 1 by 2 into 250 upon 1000. Here it will be X upon 40. Now you can do the calculation. I hope you can do the calculation and can find the answer. Its answer will be 5 gram. Okay. Try it by yourself. Now the next topic is about the relationship between normality and molarity. The questions can asked by, you will be given as normality, you have to calculate the molarity, or the molarity will be given and you will have to calculate the normality. Okay, the relation, I'll tell you the relation between the both. Relation between normality and molarity is normality is equal to molarity into X factor. Now we will deduce this relation. Okay, first of all we'll write the formulas of normality and molarity. Formula of normality is number of gram equivalents of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Formula of molarity is number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. We'll divide both the formulas, normality upon molarity. Gram equivalents upon volume of solution in liter into the formula of molarity will be reversed. It will be gram equivalents upon number of moles. Formula of further gram equivalents is given mass upon equivalent weight upon number of moles is given mass upon molecular weight. It will be mass, given mass upon equivalent weight into molecular weight or molecular mass upon given mass. So it will be molecular weight upon equivalent weight or equivalent mass. Molecular weight upon equivalent weight. Now the formula of equivalent weight is what? Molar weight upon x. Molar weight upon x. It will further be reversed. Molar weight upon molar weight into x. It will be x. N upon m is equal to x. N is equal to m into x factor. This formula will be very useful in case of the questions where relation between normality and molarity will be asked, or there will be relation between normality and molarity. This will be the most important relation there. Now we will do a question related to this concept. Find molarity of 0.2 normal sulfuric acid solution. As I know, the formula of normality is molarity into x factor. Normality is 0.2. Molarity I'll write it as m into x factor in case of sulfuric acid is 2. Then the molarity will be here, it will be 0.1 molar. It will be only 1 second question. Okay, then next question related to this is find, this is your homework question, find normality of 0.4 molar H3PO4 solution. Here I will tell you one thing, that H3PO4 has X factor as 3. It can donate 3 H positive ions. Okay, you will have to calculate this. Only you will have to put this in this formula. X factor I am telling you, molarity you have. Okay, normality is equal to molarity into x factor. Molarity is 0.4 into x factor is 3. It will be 1.2 normal. Okay, this is the concept. Next topic is about normality of mixtures. It has two cases. First I'll tell you the basic case. First case, when two acids or two bases are mixed, acid or acid and acid, base and base. In that case, the normality of resulting solution will be N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. This is the formula which I had already discussed in the case of molarity. ਉੱਥੇ ਕੰਪਲੀਟਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਫਾਈਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਹੀ ਸੇਮ ਲਾਈਨ ਉੱਪਰ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਹ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਨਾਰਮੈਲਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੈ, but the condition is that only mixture of acid and acid or base should be there. Okay, then second case is, I hope you can understand this formula. We have already done it in previous video. Second is acid plus base, where one solution is acid and second is base. Okay, I have an acid whose normality I have taken as Na, volume as Va. Second is base whose normality I have taken as Nb and volume is Vb. The resulting solution whose normality I have taken as N and the volume will be simply by adding Va and Vb. Normality we will have to calculate. Now there are two conditions that we have to check, that if normality and volume factor of acid is greater than normality and molarity of normality and volume of basic solution, or the factor in case of base is greater. There are two cases. In first case, if the product of normality and volume is greater in case of acid than base, or the product in case of base is greater than acid, we have to check this condition. If NaVa is greater than NvBb, then resulting solution will be acidic. Resulting solution will be acidic. But if this factor is greater, then resulting solution will be basic in nature. Okay, now formulas for both the conditions are different. If the resulting solution is acidic, resulting solution's normality will be NaVa minus NVBV upon Va plus Vb. Here NBVB minus NaVa upon Va plus Vb. Both the formulas are different here. अगर सोल्यूशन एसिडिक है तो फॉर्मूला की हो जाएगा NaVa ग्रेटर फैक्टर माइनस स्मॉलर फैक्टर NVVB अपॉन Va प्लस Vb. अगर सोल्यूशन बेसिक है देन NBVB बिकॉज दिस फैक्टर विल बी ग्रेटर माइनस Na अपॉन Va प्लस Vb. इतों ਅਸੀਂ एक चीज़ होर समझ सकते हाँ कि अगर है ना NaVa ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਸਮਝ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ. NaVa ਦੇ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਅਗਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ 5 ਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਇਕੁਇਵੈਲੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ, ਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਇਕੁਇਵੈਲੈਂਟਸ ਤਾਂ ਚਲੋ ਸੇਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ. ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਐਸਿਡ ਔਰ ਬੇਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ HCl ਤੇ NaOH ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਹੈ. HCl ਦੇ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਇਕੁਇਵੈਲੈਂਟਸ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਨੇ ਦੇ ਆਰ 20 ਐਂਡ ਜੋ ਬੇਸ ਦੇ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਨੇ ਦੇ ਆਰ 10 है ना. रिजल्टिंग सोल्यूशन विल बी एसिडिक क्योंकि वो ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स ज़्यादा ने एसिड के. तो 20 एंड 10 का जो रिलेशन होएगा उहदे विचों जो एसिड है देखो सपोज मैं कहा HCl है, आप क्वेश्चन कर लें प्रॉपरली देन आई विल टेल यू. 0.2 नॉर्मल 100 ml HCl सोल्यूशन प्लस 0.3 नॉर्मल 200 ml NaOH सॉल्यूशन. दसो रिजल्टिंग सोल्यूशन विल बी एसिडिक और बेसिक. मैं पहला एसिड का कढ़न लगी हाँ NaVa 0.2 इंटू 100 इट विल बी 20 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स ऑफ H पॉजिटिव क्योंकि HCl ने H पॉजिटिव ही देना है, साढ़े काम का सिर्फ वही है. NVBB विल बी 0.3 इंटू 200 इट विल बी 60. The gram equivalence of base here is greater than the acid, so the resulting solution will be basic in nature. ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ 60 ਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਇਕੁਇਵੈਲੈਂਟਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ NaOH ਦੇ ਔਰ 20 ਇਹਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, ਅਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰ ਲਾਂ ਦੋ ਹਿੱਸਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 20 ਐਂਡ 40 ਤਾਂ 20 NaOH ਦੇ 20 HCl ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਿਊਟਰਲਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਤੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬਚੇ 40. ਉਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਹੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ NBVB ਮਾਈਨਸ NaVa, ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਚਦਾ ਹੈ 60 ਮਾਈਨਸ 20 दैट इज़ 40 अपॉन Va प्लस Vb दैट इज़ 100 प्लस 200 दैट इज़ 300. इट विल बी द नॉर्मैलिटी ऑफ रिजल्टिंग सोल्यूशन. एक तरीके नाल तुसीं होर समझ सकते हो कि न्यूट्रलाइज करन तो बाद जो बचता है बस वही चीज़ असी यूज़ कर लेंगे हाँ. I am giving you here a question for the homework. If 0.4 normal 500 ml HCl neutralizes 300 ml of KOH completely, find normality of KOH. I am telling you here a new thing. Neutralizes completely. That means normality of the factor of product of normality and volume will be equal to base है ना. एसिड का फैक्टर एंड बेस का फैक्टर सेम होंगे अगर उन्हें न्यूट्रलाइज कर देता है तो असं यही रिलेशन लगा के सिंपली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हाँ. 0.4 नॉर्मल HCl 500 ml नॉर्मैलिटी KOH की फाइंड करनी हैगी, इनू मैं N ही लिख लिया, वॉल्यूम इहदा दिता होया 300 ml. वी कैन सिंपली कैलकुलेट द नॉर्मैलिटी. ओके, दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द नॉर्मैलिटी. यू विल नाउ हैव टू कंप्लीट द कॉन्सेप्ट फ्रॉम द बुक. यू हैव टू रीड फ्रॉम देयर एंड ट्राई द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, एंड हैव टू आस्क मी द क्वेश्चंस. ओके.